Coming yan,
Nag-root bound na. Nag-root bound na. Nag-root bound na. Nag-root bound na. That's fine.
So, sino sila?
Up, up.
Okay, counter here.
Pick, pick.
5, 4,
Oh, ganda.
3, 2, 1. And now again.
Side.
Okay, come back west fast. West fast.
Spread, guys. Spread. Spread. Hilly side.
Left, west fast.
Bro.
West, okay.
Kaya yung pro, lo.
Roll them up.
Spread, guys. Spread. Yan, oh. Cleanse ko kayo. Spread.
Spread. Roll them up and spread.
Go north. Go east.
Is DPS ready?
Ready. Kalat kayo.
Alat lang kayo. I can engage
Ready.
here. 5, 4,
Corner side, baka bagal to. Shallow.
1. And now again.
Baka magit ba ta? Oh,
Puta yun.
ayun.
Okay,
Ayun
come
na.
back west. Hit yan, west.
Go, 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 go.
Left, boys, left. Click your
Kayo.
defense.
Iga. Uy, damot.
Hills on me, then west again. West. Boys, don't forget to click your defensives. Alam ko pro club tayo, pero click your defensives. Hold.
Gigagan kayo pag nakita nyo.
Ayun. Topok.
DPS ready.
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 Again, hit here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And me now again. Then come back west fast. West fast. Walang gagawin night helmet nila. West fast kayo. Then reset nyo lang. Go, spread. Just run west. Looking na yung color nila. West.
Spread lang yan, dyan. Oh, looking kayo press ha. The press.
Walk in them. Walk with them.
Dito. Yan, puta na doon.
Just keep walking with them. I can engage here in 5, 4, 3,
Deep.
2, 1. If you can. Oy, stat. Ano yun? Okay, come back.
Mali ako.
Come back. West. Okay, go southeast now.
Orchestra sa...
Local.
Southeast step kayo ah. Southeast.
Wait.
OC na everyone. OC. Spread kayo looking ah.
Allah.
Spread kayo.
ano? Special child.
Brawl. Okay, spread here. Spread. OC kayo. OC. Naka-brawl sila. Dito lang kayo sa akin.
Kaya.
Huwag niyong tanggalin yung crown. Pabigay. Meron dito. Ito yung color nila. Hold. Spread kayo sa akin. Huwag niyong sundan yan. Lang kayo sa akin.
Matupaya kaya tayo, press.
Spread.
Madawla tayo.
Spread. Yeah. I got this. I got this. May gagawin ako. Just spread around.
Nag-wrap around yung ano.
Yung sa likod meron. May...
Roll to nasa harap ko eh. West ko kaya dito ako nakatingin eh. Ako bahala sa may northeast ah. I mean east. Pa-hold lang ang east. Let me know lang. Take ako ah. Wait. Hold lang kayo. Hold. Lapit tayo konti sa medium chest. Come boys. Roll to eh. Ay wait. Sino to? Ito pa rin sila.
Op.
Okay, deep in 5,
Wait.
3, 2,
Ano, Choco?
1.
Oh my god, good.
Okay,
Then
now run east again. Run east fast. Meron rolling eh.
Guard drone. Dream. Kung meron.
Walang.
Okay, hold for now. DPS, talk to
Triple
me.
engage sila.
Hold.
13.
Okay, walk with them now. Walk with them. Come, walk with them.
Look yan, Tester. Be careful.
Yeah,
Pwede tayo mag-rapper.
Sila.
Wait, hold. Sige, wrap around kayo.
Ay, bro lang.
Brawl sa likod. Nice stop.
May mga special child dito. Kung pwede yung engage nila.
Keep following the ground.
Tester, be careful.
Yeah,
Baka malikod.
Pasouthwest kayo na, pasouthwest kayo.
East side kayo ah. East side. Okay, what? Okay. East. Come walk with them east. Defensive, stay ready. Defensive, stay ready. West.
Wait lang guys.
I'm gonna fake. Fake lang. Be ready. Defensive sa. Be ready. Just walk with them. Sa akin defense nila. Walk with them. Just keep walking with them. Then spread. Keep walking with them and spread. I can engage here in 5.
Butas.
Wait. Cancel. Wait. Engage here in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, pa.
Big.
Nice.
Putay na, putok.
Okay, roll them now. Roll and loot.
Okay. 1-0.
Likod, may
Grabe
kalaban
na
pa.
naman.
Meron pa sa
Ano,
likod.
Traduguan.
Follow the count now. Follow the
Puta ng
count.
tres.
Arman.
Don't chase
I-fight.
them, ha? Don't chase them.
Grim.
Don't chase them. Don't chase them, huy!
Tama na.
Hindi, mamamatay na to.
Yung dalawa.
Sayang.
Just keep following. Ang ina mga to.
Ito pa tayo. Lulut yung pa ng 4.2 dyan.
Come boys,
4.2.
come with me, come with me. Quick. Mount up yun nasa likod. Nagpa-fight pa dito.
Uy, shit.
Mounted na yung Elden Ashborn. Ashborn mounted na.
Yeah, just keep following me. Keep following.
Ay, wag na.
Dito.
Dismounted to.
Keep following. Just
Oh my God.
Follow.
Ito,
Then spread here now. Spread lang kayo. Spread. Brawl yan ha. Spread lang. Then inch up a bit. Inch up. Then spread. Inch up. Then
Pwede,
spread.
guys,
Yung color nila. I can engage here in 5,
What's up, guys?
3, 2, 1. Carving. Sila carving.
Nice one.
Comeback kayo.
Good shallow. I like that.
Running sila, going out, nagana,
Choke.
punta ng east.
Bit full shot, ha? Just it.
Heal, nasa heal sila tapos.
Likod yung back line.
Meron.
Be careful, chop. Just it.
Eh.
Anong info yun?
Come up the choke, then spread.
Takot naman na ito, puta. Brawl pa kayo.
Tumatakbo sila. Ano nakatakbo to? Puta.
Running pa rin.
Oo. Kaya full HP naman.
Okay, mount up everyone, mount up.
Puta, ina running.
Oo, brawling yun. Takot.
Ah, pero hindi ba sila nagmamount ah? Feeling ko nagkakait lang itong mga to.
Tama, tapos ako na.
Ingat kayo dyan, huwag kayo mag-stuck sa kanila.
Pwede yan, mag-engage.
Yan, tapos ako na.
Boss, nag-mounting up.
Ano to? Ba't ayaw?
Ayun nila, sino yung blob dyan?
Kasi mag-iipon tayo dito eh.
Alden Archburn na tayo. Cheater
Nila
lang.
dito, in-engage na ako. Walang kwento.
Tipo.
Ay, dismounted. Ah, baba.
Alis, come west, dismount on west.
Laban ulit.
Orchestra. Kasama nila yung brawling sa loob ah.
Tumatakbo na, wala na tumatakbo.
Running na running.
Takot. Tawag pa kayo. Smart lock.
May blab pa.
Mount up.
Yan, puta. Alis fight.
Go northeast tayo mag-fight ngayon. Come.
Magre-regger lang yan. Press
Lagi.
ultimate regger.
Naglalago.
Ay, dismounted. Come, ano, south. Dismounted dyan nasa west. Dismount on me.
Okay pa uli ah.
Nag-mount up.
Yan ang mga to eh.
Hello? Naglag ba ako?
Sino yung blob sa likod?
Fame big.
Sila ulit.
Okay,
Bumalik
come
sila ulit.
south on me.
Just wanted that wanted and same pig.
Ang pangat ang angle natin, ha?
Yeah, I know.
Diyan na sila.
We're gonna walk through. Naka-hodge lang yan ah. Walk through.
Spread kayo. Take
Blink
yung
out lang pag nahatak.
Take yung east.
Walk through. Be ready sa defensive ha. Walk through. No fear.
Ang inang nila yung lakas might. Ang bobo.
Walk through. Hintayin. I can
Ako,
engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, shallow. Now west. Run west quickly. Quickly west. Looking now. Depth.
Di looking.
Okay, walk with them, brawl. Walk with them and brawl. Huwag kayo matakot. Clap roll tayo. Walk with them and brawl. No fear. Not
Take
fight,
mo.
not fight.
Oh.
Yeah.
Orkesta.
Keep walking with them. DPS ready.
Patayin nyo yun. Uy, oh. After ano.
In 5,
Meron sa likod, sa likod. Ingat sa likod, boss pre. Ingat sa likod.
I know. Just keep following the southeast. No, that's fine. Just keep following the southeast. Roll yan. Keep following the southeast.
Parating na po sila.
Sugod lang.
Run kayo southeast. Run kayo. Up the choke now east. Step. Up the choke now east. I can engage here in 5,
Judy sa chok.
3, 2, 1. On me now if you can. Just drop E. Now run east. Keep running east. Then spread.
Rush yung lumayo.
East and spread. East and spread.
Looking.
Looking now, okay, hold. Spread kayo, spread and hold. Spread and hold. No fear. Spread and hold. Tangina, rolling ba talaga to? Parang di naman sila nagro-roll. DPS ready?
Ready.
Wait, 5 seconds. Just hold. No fear, just hold. Defensive, be ready, ah. I can
19
engage here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now if you can. Now east. Find the choke east. Just keep running east. Find the choke na pwede tayo
Nice, Grave.
makafight.
Kasi isang healer natin. May isang healer pa ba tayo?
Keep running east.
Huwag ka masyado matakot konti. Parmail ka.
Keep
Huwag
running
ka
east.
mag-fight sa party.
DPS,
Huwag
talk
masyado
to me if you're ready. DPS, talk to me if you're ready.
Ready.
Ready?
I can engage here in 5,
Konti. Ashami, ang layo mo. Oh my god.
2, 1. Big now. Nice one. Now roll them up.
Bigyan na, bigyan na.
Roll them.
Ay, hindi. Kung naman layo mo, bahala ka. Hindi kita heal.
Listen, Shani.
Tapulin.
Listen, Shani.
Layo mo. Papunta ka sa west.
Okay, hold.
Party mo nasa east.
Hold lang. Run east, ah. I mean west now kayo. Konti. West kayo konti. West. Ready DPS again?
Ready.
Nice.
Ready, Prisker.
East, look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the east side. East. Nice, okay. Run west
Ang
quickly.
ina
Run
nyo.
east quickly. Run east. Then spread east, then hold. We're clap roll. We can still fight this. Trigger if you can. Take north. Spread to north. Spread to north. Spread. Gig spots if you need to. Tell me DPS. I can engage here.
Ready.
I can engage here.
Ready,
Five,
Oh, tangin na. Silence ako.
1, now if you can. Big, all of them.
Wala. Silence ako.
Putang ina nyo, baka bobo.
Oh my god.
Run west. Boy pa si Chip 2. West, boys. West. Come with me, west. West, boys. West. Stop rolling,
Wait
west.
lang, na-hold kami.
West. DPS at keep talking to me.
Ready.
I can engage here again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big, all of them.
Naglag na ako.
Okay, now north now. Run north now. North. Okay, east now. East, boys. Left. East. East now. East, boys. East.
Shani.
Keep running east. Just keep
I'm
running
dead
east.
Seven ko lang ni Rigor yung tiin.
Keep running east. Just keep running east. Keep running east. DPS ready.
I'm dead.
Oh, that
Dead
was
na
it.
ka.
Keep running east. Just keep running east.